Yeah.
So, how was your day?
My day was a little bit hectic
Mhm. So,
because
are you a
I
working
was,
professional or you are a student?
yeah, I'm a student now.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, where were you busy?
I went for taking admission of my brother in his 11th class, so I was busy there.
Okay, okay. And he must be having his classes online, right?
Yeah,
Just to get the admission, you went to the school.
yeah, that's it.
Okay, that's great. And what about you? What do you study?
I have done my graduation and now I'm preparing for banking examination.
Okay, that's nice. Good to hear that.
Yeah, and what about you?
I am an education counselor. So I work with an education consultancy firm. And
Oh,
apart from that, because I love teaching, so I work part time as a teacher for Clap and Go as well.
oh, nice. So basically, where are you from?
I'm from Nagpur, Maharashtra.
Oh, okay.
What about you?
Nagpur. I'm from Madhya Pradesh.
Madhya Pradesh. Okay, which part of MP?
Neemuch, Madhya Pradesh.
Okay, I know a bit
Western
about
part of
Chhattisgarh. Uh-huh.
western part of MP. It is border of Rajasthan. Yes.
Okay, yeah, it's quite
Yeah.
far away from us.
Yeah. Uh,
Our adjoining is, I think, Betul and Siuni. These places are adjoining to Maharashtra.
yeah. Yes.
Mhm. Okay, Mahesh. And did you get the time to go through the session document?
Yeah, I go through that.
Great. So, what is our topic for today?
Traveling is the topic for the day.
Yes. And while
Yeah.
you were going through the session document, did you come across any new word?
I didn't find that word new because I knew that all words. I just it was like just for revision. I
Okay.
revised all that words.
Okay. Good to know that. So, I'll be
Yeah.
giving you one word now.
Yeah.
Give me a second. Mm, So, you know what does fascinating means, right?
Yeah.
So,
Exactly.
can you form a sentence using the word fascinating?
Yeah, I can.
Go ahead.
Once I visited Shimla, so the view of Shimla was fascinating.
Very good. Great. Okay, so now before we start the session document, do you have any questions, any special requests for me?
Yeah, I'm not having any particular question right now, so we can start.
Okay, great. So, yeah, do you like traveling?
Yeah, absolutely. Of course, I like traveling a lot.
Great. So, do you travel for work or for personal reasons, or is it your hobby?
Is it my hobby? I don't travel for my work and
Mhm.
so. What about you? Do you also like traveling?
I love traveling. Love
Yeah,
traveling. But because of this pandemic, I have been locked up in the house since last almost 2 years now,
yeah, same here,
and
same here.
it's absolutely boring.
We have become homesick.
Yeah, like not exactly homesick. We are sick of home now.
Yeah, so,
so,
because
so when I used to stay outside when I was not at home, then I used to become homesick. Like I felt like coming back to home for at least few days. Now I'm so
uh,
sick of home that once I leave it, I'll probably not come back for a year or so.
yeah.
And how do you usually like to travel? Like, do you like to have your trips all planned and a luxury trip, or are you more of a backpacker type of person?
I think I would prefer luxurious trip, but
Hmm.
because
Right.
of lacking money, I can't do that now.
Okay.
Once,
Okay.
on-
Not. Yeah. Continue.
once I become billionaire, I will
Mhm.
travel a lot.
Okay. If not the
Because
luxury trip, then like, do you like your trips to be planned well, or you can just backpack and go?
uh, I would prefer planned trip.
Hmm. Right.
Everything should be planned before we go there, so it will be better for us to explore the place well
Hmm.
and can enjoy very well because we know everything what is going to happen next and where we are going next. So I think it will be better.
Good. Good.
Yeah.
And which kind of places do you like to visit?
I mostly like mountains and all kinds of stuff rather than beaches and cities. I would prefer mountains,
Okay, so
hill
you're a mountain
stations,
person.
hill station. You can say.
Yeah.
Yeah. What about you? Do you like beaches or mountains?
I am fine with either. I mean, I like both of them.
Okay.
Uh, like in winters, probably I like to go to beaches,
So
and
it depends on the weather and season.
yeah, and in summers, definitely hill stations. I love hill stations, and I
Mm,
love greenery. I love
really.
nature.
Nature.
I'm also that kind
So
of person who would not like to go to cities for my vacation. Like for my
yeah.
vacation, I need peace and beauty, natural beauty. But when it comes to living, then probably I would like to live in a city.
So what is the best place you have ever been since till the date?
The best
What is
I
your
cannot
favorite place?
name a one single place that I loved, but I like all of them. But two of my favorites would be one is Coorg. I am not sure if you have been to Coorg
Sorry,
ever.
pardon?
Coorg in Karnataka.
Okay, I don't know about that.
Okay, Coorg is very
Mm.
beautiful. It's very green and it's pretty. It's very pretty. And second, I really liked Amsterdam.
Amsterdam.
Yeah.
Okay. It
So these
is in
are Netherlands.
Netherlands. Yeah. Mm. I have not been traveled abroad yet.
I liked everything actually. I like Scotland also. I've been to Scotland as well. Scotland is also very pretty. It's very green.
Okay.
And but if you compare Scotland and our Kashmir, I like Kashmir better.
Uh, it
It
is
has got it has got its
heaven.
own vibes and beauty.
It is renowned as heaven of earth.
Yes,
So there
and
should be the reason,
truly
I think.
said.
Yeah.
It's truly said.
Uh,
And I would really like to visit Kerala. Like I've heard it's called God's own country. But
yeah, God's on that.
I have planned twice to go to Kerala, but both the times my plan got cancelled because of some or the other reason. So maybe, as we say, third time is a charm. So maybe I'll be able to go for the third time.
I hope you will go there.
Really, maybe after this all pandemic situation cools down.
Yeah. Uh,
So
oh,
where did you
everybody
go
wants.
last?
I visited last time Shimla and Manali.
Okay, and how was your trip? How was your experience?
It was fascinating.
Hmm. How did
Uh,
you travel? Like, did you go by train, flight, bus?
yeah, half by train, and then we hired a cab after that in uh, to go to one place to another in local Shimla and Manali. To ship from Shimla to Manali, we booked a cab for that.
And who did you go with?
Friends and all.
Okay, nice. And which places did you visit in Shimla and Manali?
Shimla Mall Road, Christchurch, and Kufri, and there is a zoo I like the most in Shimla. And after that, we went to Manali, and there is Solang Valley, and there are many temples and many places we have been there.
Nice. So, what did you like or what did you dislike about those places?
I think what I like the most is the people of Himachal Pradesh. They are
Mhm.
very friendly, and they are minding in their own business. They don't nothing have to do with us that what we are doing, what we are. They are just minding in their own business,
Mhm.
and that's just providing us facilities and all. And the second thing the thing which I dislike the most is I think the hotel food, which is not their problem, but I think we got that wrong.
Okay. So,
Yeah.
you did not like the food there.
And not Himachali food. I'm talking about the hotel that
You
provide us
stayed
food,
in.
which was yeah, that was not very good.
Okay. Okay. And did you meet anyone interesting during your travel?
Yeah, okay. Cab driver was very friendly and gentle person.
Okay. So, did he tell you all his stories?
Yeah, he described
Mhm.
about the places and all.
Mhm. That's
One
good.
thing that is stopping me from going abroad is money, and I'm almost a billionaire.
Mm-hmm. So
Yeah,
then
but
why money is a constraint for you?
because now I have all the 9 zeros, I just need that one to becoming a billionaire. So that is what is stopping me from going abroad and becoming a billionaire. So will
uh
you give me that 1 rupee?
You need 1 rupee. I'll transfer you. I'll GPay you.
Yeah. Because
Good,
now
good.
we all have that zeros. We just need that one thing to
One.
becoming billionaire. And it's not just a joke. I think it's very deep if we see and go in deep. Just
Mhm.
imagine that Dhoni has that cricket is one. So he worked on that one and just became billionaire. Arijit Singh has his voice, like
Mhm.
Virat Kohli has his playing,
Mhm.
Ambani has his business acumen. So
Mhm.
I think we all
Acumen.
possessed with all acumen. Sorry. So we just need that one thing that can make us very rich.
That's true.
It's not about that.
And the most difficult thing is, I think, to find that one thing
That what thing.
in you.
Yeah, in you,
That is
because
the most
all the
difficult
zeros
part.
are there already inside us. We just need to found that one thing that
Yeah.
can make that all zeros work.
And unfortunately, since our childhood, we have only been pointed towards those zeros. Like,
Yes,
you
that.
cannot do this, you cannot do
Yeah,
that, you are not good at this, you should do
yeah.
this better.
But
So we are so
nobody
focused. Yeah, we are
so
so
focused on.
focused on making those skills which we don't know. We are
Yeah,
always trying to do that, and in all of that, we miss that one thing that we are really good in.
yeah. Just
That's true.
many children, their parents are like, you must do engineering, you must do MBBS, and you do that, you can do that. But it's better to follow our own passion, what we can do, and what is the area or domain in which we are very good or better than anything else.
And what you enjoy doing.
I enjoy traveling a lot. First of all, if I rank them, so traveling would be first. After that, playing cricket, and after that, it will be learning English is also my hobby, you can say.
Okay.
And
How did that come into picture? Like, why do you want to learn English?
I think the thing is that uh, basically I am a Hindi medium student, so I have been in places that I realized that how much English is important these days. We want to grow in our career, so that's where I hit that thing and I started this journey, and now I'm uh, far away.
Okay. And you said you are preparing for your NDA exams now, right?
Sorry,
You said you're preparing for some exams. What are those exams?
banking examination.
Banking examination. Okay.
Yeah,
And are you really passionate about working in bank, or is it just because
it is
until
just
you find
because.
out what to do,
Yeah,
you will be doing this?
yeah, that is why I'm not for a lifetime I'm going to do a bank job. That is not my plan at all. But currently, just for earning some monies and to find that thing, I'm I can work in bank.
Mm-hmm. Good,
So
good.
that is.
So, what do you actually want to do in life? Like, do you have any idea yet? Like, whether you want to be a businessman, you would like to start your
I
own
I
startup.
I don't want to be a businessman. I want to be an entrepreneur.
Mm-hmm. Good.
But
So,
I don't have any idea till date that what should I start or what is my startup going to be. So that is why I'm finding the thing, and I hope that one day I will find that idea and I will work on it, and I will find that one.
yeah, that one thing.
Yeah,
Great, good to know. Very interesting.
yeah.
And yep. And what are few places in your city that one should see?
In my city, I would say it's not very famous places, but our city is famous for the largest CRPF
Okay.
in Nimat, and Gomabai Netralay, which is very famous
Uh-huh.
hospital, eye hospital. Have you ever heard of it?
Unfortunately, not.
Okay. And for it, in our city, many places related to uh, Britishers. There are
Okay.
many places of that they made. So
Monuments
the
or
monuments, yeah.
buildings.
Yeah.
Okay, okay, good. And which is your favorite place to go?
In India or outside India?
Anywhere.
Okay, so if we talk about India, so it's going to be Goa because I have not been there, so I want to go there.
Okay. And
And yeah,
outside India?
outside India, I would like to go Singapore.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Yeah.
Must
Have
go.
you ever been to Singapore?
Yes, when I was a child. So I
Okay,
don't
when I
remember
was
it very well. Not exactly when I was a child, like I was in ninth grade. So I do, and it was a family trip. So I did not enjoy it a lot.
okay.
But definitely, if you talk about the place is very beautiful.
So how many countries have you traveled till the date?
Not much, about 7 to 8.
7 to 8.
Yeah,
So which country do you find the most beautiful and which you like the most?
India.
Apart from India, because apart from India, I know we all Indians love our country very much,
Yeah.
without a doubt. I'm talking about other countries.
One country that is very beautiful. I would say because I have a lot of memories in that place. So after India, it would be UK.
UK.
Yes, because I've done my
Yeah.
master's from London. So I was
Okay.
there for 1.5 years and I have lots of memories there. I had lots of friends there. So that is some place that is very close to my heart.
Uh, that's great. So what did you do in your masters?
I have done my MBA,
MBA. Great. From which university?
Coventry.
Sorry.
Coventry.
Coventry.
Mhm.
Okay. So how much the fees was
The
in
fees
Indian
was
rupees?
still nominal. The fees was not actually very expensive. It is almost the same that you would pay in India if you're going to a good college. So it was around 17 lakh, 15 to 17 lakh. Uh, because the pounds keep changing. So it was somewhere between 15 to 17 lakh. And yeah, another 10 lakh to 12 lakh for living expenses, but that I could manage by my work, by working part time.
Okay. So you are also working part time.
Yep, I was working in an Indian restaurant.
That's great. So what
So we
does your
used to get
father do?
food. My father is a geologist. Now he is retired.
Okay.
All right. Okay, so Mahesh, we are almost out of time now. So I'll quickly move to the feedback part. One
Okay.
thing is that you have good vocabulary, as you said that you're not. Then words are not new for you. You have good vocabulary. You have good grammar as well. But sometimes in flow, you are making very minute mistakes.
Okay.
Okay, and so I'll have one suggestion for you. You have these sessions recorded, right? You will
Yeah.
also get these sessions. Always go through these sessions, always listen to these sessions whenever you get time, so you yourself
Yeah.
will be able to observe where you are making mistakes, and when you correct yourself it is better.